The maple tree in my front yard is full of blooms, and the bees are starting to fly. I've been wanting to carve a honeybee pendant, so I thought I'd try my hand at it. I've got the bee sketched out. Next, I'm going to route her out around it. And then it's just a matter of removing the wood that doesn't belong. I decided it would be fun to put the bee on a honeycomb. Little wooden pendants are a lot of fun to make, and I really enjoyed this one. If you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you have any ideas for upcoming pendant videos, I'd like to hear your suggestions. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.